check out this really nice dog ramp. This thing's gonna fold up real nice. It has a handle you can see here, and it has really grippy tape, so you don't have to worry about slipping or anything like that. I'm gonna show you guys fold it up after. Phyllis uses it to get in the back here. She's getting old, and she likes to ride in the back of the truck with me whenever we're going to the lake. So I'm gonna see if she'll use it. She hasn't used it yet, but this thing's gonna be perfect for her because she keeps jumping up here and falling off and hitting the ground. She's getting too old to jump up there, so we're gonna see if she'll use it. Phyllis, come on. Good girl. There you go, girl. She's learning it. I had to help her out a little bit too. I kind of show her what to do. But I'm sure once she starts learning how to use this thing, she uses it getting down just fine, and I don't have to worry about her falling off of it anymore. Come on. Come here. So I don't have to worry about her hurting her shoulder anymore. You can see when she jumps out of this thing, she hits the ground real hard. I don't have to worry about that anymore either. And you can see whenever I'm done with it, this thing comes down. I'm going to straighten this back up. See, this clicks to whatever angle you need it to. And then when you're done, hold it down just like that. Clip it. And nice and compact, and put it back in the truck now. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice, and for my old dog here, it's going to be good. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.